Hey, what's going on, guys? David here with you with DC Appliance Repair. In this video, I wanted to talk a little bit about how you can plan for different seasons in your appliance repair business. One of the technicians brought this up in the group yesterday or the day before yesterday, and I think that it's a very good thing, very good subject to talk about, especially if you're in business, just starting out to maybe the 3-year term in business, let's just say. Alright guys, first of all, I want to thank each and every one of you for being a part of the YouTube channel. Thank each and every one of you that is subscribed, each and every one of my viewers. Shout out to everybody that's a part of the DC Appliance Repair Tech Chat group, and shout out to everybody that's a part of the DC trading world. Glad to have you guys with me, and let's get started in the video. So today, I wanted to talk about, let's just say, you're 6 months or a year into business. And you may be part-time, you may not be all the way full-time, and you may be into a position where you just got full-time. So let's just say, you know, we got different things that's going on in the world right now, different things that's going on in the economy, and, fluctuation, a lot of different things like that. Well, first of all, let me just say this about what's been going on this past year, and let's talk about what we have all experienced. Now, I do want to say this because this varies in different people's locations. Yes, it does. And where you're at and what's going on, because there is a lot of different things that's regulated in different parts of the country that may not be here in my area. But let's just say, we got the elections coming up, got everything coming up. Well, through this pandemic, through this, with the COVID thing, let's just say we have not stopped. There's the calls, if anything, have picked up on my end. There was technicians that was with warranty companies that's not working, and there's still people that's not working, and that's okay. But we're still out here working. So, for one, I could say that we are definitely a necessity. If you don't already know that, for one, we repair appliance repairs, of course. But if you think about it, everybody needs a refrigerator. Everybody likes to have a freezer. Everybody needs a washer, their dryer, a stove. They could do without a microwave, and they could do without a dishwasher. But people ain't even doing without those right now. When they're tearing up, they're calling, they're needing them. Okay, so as of right now, through this year, we've been just fine. Now, the key thing I want to break down in this video is this. Let's just say you just got started. The main thing that's going to keep you, I'm going to say, in good hands, is going to keep you getting calls. And that's going to be getting out there and getting a warranty company. And not only getting one of them, but getting 2 of them to possibly 3 of them. Because the first warranty company that you need to get with, first of all, do a Google search. I have videos surrounding on the best way to find how to, get the best warranty companies in your area, and you can do that by contacting a realtor in your area and ask them what kind of warranty are they selling. Do they have one of these homes when a buyer, for a buyer, and so they'll tell you, and so you can get up with them. Now, according to where you're at, they do have different requirements. You need to make sure you have liability insurance, and there's definitely certain endorsements that they require. And a lot of times, once you contact customer relations, you can contact them, reach out to them, email them, put your business name and information, and somebody from their contract relations will reach out to you. So what you can do is they'll send you the requirements, what they need, and you can make sure that you get the insurance that has those requirements. And a lot of times you can ask them, they may have somebody they can refer you to. But anyways, so you need to make sure that you have that first, and then go out here and go get these warranty companies. And then once you meet the requirements, see how many calls they can give you. So let's just break this down. Let's just say you do have one good warranty company, okay, and then you have next to that warranty company, you're able to have another one, okay? And these two companies, it may take you going through different warranties. It may take you filling out for 5 different applications and just testing the waters and seeing how many calls they can give you. But the thing is, though, even if you have 5 of them, and let's just say they're giving you 3 calls a week, that adds up. But figure out your best 2 warranty companies. And so, but let's just say your number 1 warranty company can give you in between 3 to 10 calls a week. Okay, 3 to 10 calls a week. And let's just say after, on your part and your expenses and everything, taxes have been held out, you're making at least $100 a call. So with $100 a call at a minimum, that's $300 a week. And if they can give you, 10 calls a week, that's $1,000 right there. And that can easily be done. That's easily attainable. That could be easily done with 1 good warranty company, but let's just say you can get 2 good warranty companies, and if you need to, if those are getting slow, go find you a 3rd one, a 4th one, and a 5th one. And when things get to picking back up, the one that you don't like dealing with, that was a heartache, but yet they give you calls, and this one give you this call, this one give you that call, this one that call, and they keep you survive, you can sort it out on which ones you want to deal with. So and so on top of that, that's what's the benefit of having a warranty company, because your COD calls, the difference in the COD calls is this. Let's just say this customer does not have warranty. Let's just say this customer, the dishwasher tore up or the microwave tore up. And for warranty companies, we work on more dishwashers and microwaves than anything. But let's just say it tore up. And let's just say, it's hard times, or let's just say Christmas is right around the corner or something, it may not just be a good time to spend extra money on getting this appliance fixed right now. So people may not call right now, versus that customer that has that warranty that they done paid for, and all they got to do is pay X amount of dollars out of their pocket, and they can get it fixed, and all they got to do is reach out to the warranty company, and they going to send somebody. Psychologically, they going to do that over, versus a slow time. With the COD, calls are slow, the warranty is still going to keep you busy. Will the calls get slow there, where they be a little bit rougher, a little bit tougher? Yes, but you can still get paid, and you can still, getting your name and getting business out there. And as you grow business on the COD side, let's just say you're in your 2 or 3 year, well, when you get to that 3-year spot, technically, your COD calls, when they slow down, you're still going to be fine on top of your warranty, and on top of your warranty slowing down, and on top of your COD calls slowing down. You're still going to be fine. But it takes time. Like I've always said, it takes time to get your name, it takes time to get business out there, but you definitely got to get with warranty companies. And, that's what's going to keep you alive during these slow times. I know that a lot of you guys, like the technician that brought this up, he come from the construction side. So I can imagine on the construction side, for one, different slow times, layoffs, cutoffs, different things like that. So you got to definitely stick back money. And I definitely recommend you sticking back some money. But I can guarantee you with the security now, I know that different regions, it may vary from different warranty companies and stuff like that. But, if you got to go get more warranty to suffice for the slow time, and then arrange it when everything picks back up, by all means, go do that. But I'm here to say that appliance repair is definitely a necessity. Get yourself out there in the community, surround yourself, create a Facebook page, get yourself on Google business, Google My Business, build you a website. I mean, there's all this information that you can do that's definitely out there, definitely attainable. YouTube is very powerful. You can learn anything out here. Everything that I've ever done, everything that I've ever learned, I got on YouTube and I learned it. And if I hadn't learned it on YouTube and then had the knowledge to go out here and manifest it out here in the world, then that's what I've done. That's what I've done, and I'm thankful for YouTube, and I'm thankful for the things in the stock market with my grandpa and things that they've taught me. So, but I just want to break this down for you, and say that if you can go get one warranty company, at least can give you 3 to 10 calls a week, And like I said, I'm using that number to, kind of far stretch because that could vary. But that's one warranty company. Go get you another one that maybe can give you this amount of numbers, and go get you another and give you this amount of numbers. Because like I said, they're going to call when something tears up. And the benefit of it is when you pull up, a majority of the warranty companies, they require the customer to pay a deduction. And so they're going to be in cash or check. So you're getting that money off the top right there. So. But I just wanted to share that pretty much everything that goes on, we're pretty much needed at all times. You treat people right, treat people honest, treat people fair. It'll go a long way. Make things right. If there may be some guys out here that I run in, and you may run into different things that may not just be repairable or may not have the knowledge to repair. Of some sort, but it's always pays to be honest. It always pays to be straightforward with the customer, and that's what it's all about. I appreciate you guys being a part of the YouTube channel. Appreciate each and every one of you that's part of the chat group. Shout out to all the guys out there. Proud of each and every one of you. Shout out to everybody in the alert system. And if you want to be a part of that, look, it's only $10 a month. I'm teaching you everything. You know me. I'm showing everything I know about appliance repair, showing everything that I know about the stock market, how I trade, and how I make money in it. Not holding back anything. The guys in the group, they're having great weeks. I launched this over a month ago, and they're having great success. I'm having fun with it. So, even if you don't know nothing about stocks and you just want to, maybe get the platform and check it out and just watch these charts that I'm calling out and seeing what they're doing. I mean, it's only $10 a month. I'm just throwing it out there like that. Because I make it, if you're interested in it, you can definitely see if this is something that you want to do or not for a low monthly fee. Alright guys, this is David with DC Appliance Repair, and I will see you guys in the next video.